What's up y'all? This is your girl Kiki. I am pretty much doing like a vlog today, I guess you could say. You can see I look hella tired right now. I got a little bag under my eyes because it is 9:13 in the morning. So yeah, just getting ready for work. A lot of people don't know, just in case I never told y'all before, but I work at a salon. So it's gonna be a very short day today because I rarely got any clients today. This is actually one of my slowest weeks, but usually I would say close to the holidays, that's when I get a little bit busier. So it was kind of expected, you know, it was gonna be slow this week. I gotta leave for work in about 10 more minutes, so I'm wearing this today. I also got some black pants. But yeah, trying to get my hair together and everything like that. My hair is looking a little jacked. I'm gonna have to fix my edges and everything. But this sweater, I already wore this sweater last week, and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna wear it again because I'm only gonna be here for probably like 2 hours. So I'm not even gonna be here that long. So ain't no point in me putting on a whole new outfit if I'm just gonna end up leaving right back out pretty soon. So I only got 2 clients today, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my 2 clients out the way, and then I'm gonna head back home basically. I might even stop by a store or something and grab me some things because I do need a few more things, but we'll kind of see how the day looking today. So I got the Gucci Flora. This is the Magnolia scent, so I got that, and I'm gonna layer it with 1,000 Wishes from Bath & Body Works. I love me some Bath & Body Works. I'm gonna tell y'all, this is one of my favorite scents in the whole wide world. I heard it's supposed to be having like a Black Friday sale going on pretty soon, which they always have sales going on, so ain't nothing new, but just gonna spray that on. And with Bath & Body Works, you can't just do like a couple of sprays, alright? You gotta like spray it at least 10 times to really get the smell effect. And then do a couple of sprays of that, and I'm good. Alright y'all, so I'm pretty much about to head straight to work. As you can see, I got my glasses on. My hair, I don't even try to be perfect with my hair because I'm like, by the time the day is over, my hair be like a hot mess anyways. But I'm just rocking this curly hair right here. I just kind of like fluff it out a little bit, you know. Sometimes I'll throw a little like water and mousse in it just to kind of help, you know, define the curls a bit. But honestly, I'm just going to leave it like this because, again, I'm only going to be there for 2 hours and then I'm headed straight back home. But most of the time, as you can see, I'm wearing my glasses. You know, got some glasses on. I always wear glasses because your girl can barely see worth the ish. Alright, I'm nearsighted, so I can't really see things like far away. Like if it's like within a few feet away from me, it starts to look a little blurry, but if it's like really close to me, I can see like perfectly fine. So I am nearsighted, so I do wear my glasses. You probably might see me with them more often if I was working. Like usually if I'm doing videos while I'm working, then yeah, you'll see me with some glasses. But because I usually do videos when I'm not working, y'all usually don't see me with the glasses on. But you know, today is my work day, so anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and warm my car up because it is cold outside. In fact, Alexa, what's the temperature today?
Right now, it's 39 degrees Fahrenheit.
It's 39 degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah, it's pretty cold outside. So I'm gonna go ahead and warm up my car and everything like that, and then yeah, go ahead and get ready to head to work. Alright, so I am absolutely done with work today. Take these glasses off right quick so y'all can recognize me. But yeah, today was one of those days I'm just so over it. I did not want to be here, so thank God I was able to take some time off. I was supposed to be out at 1, but you know, me and my co-workers, we love each other too much. You know, we was talking, chatted up, so I didn't leave until it's like, what is it, 1:53? So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and head back on home, and yeah, I want to finish my sweater. I want to finish my green sweater that I'm working on, so I'm gonna do that. And Yeah, and then see what else the day brings me. It's still pretty early today. It's about to be 2 o'clock. By the time I get home, it's probably gonna be around 2:15. So yeah, we're just gonna see how the day looks. So I'll see y'all when I get back home. Deuces. All right, so I am back from work. As you can see, I jumped into my pajamas. I got hold on, shoot, let me lower this a bit. I don't know if you can see everything that I'm wearing, but basically I'm wearing jogging pants. Alright, I put on my jogging pants, got the matching socks, got an orange tank top, because baby, when I got home, I jumped out of those work clothes so freaking fast. I was like, I am done. I'm done. I'm tired. But anyways, so yeah, I'm just gonna be cozying up the rest of the day. I already had me a salad. I had a Cobb salad, just a little something light for now. By the way, look at these muscles. Look at my arms. This is me 3 years of doing pedicure, you guys. Like, look at the arms, okay? Don't mind my armpits, all right? It's winter time, all right? Ain't nobody gonna see them like that when I put a sweater on. So please do not get on me about my hairy armpits. But look at the muscles though. Like, look at, ooh, ooh. Them guns are poking. I'm like hyped today. Did y'all ever be like coming home from work and y'all just be like so much more, like you have so much more energy because when you at work you like, I don't want to be at work. I don't want to be there. Taking me away. And then as soon as you get home, you thinking that you about to take a nap, but no, you just more hyped now because you're like, yes, I'm home. I'm where I want to be. So yes, I was pretty happy about that. But anyways, so I'm about to sip on this Diet Pepsi. Alright, please sponsor me, Diet Pepsi or Pepsi in general. I love y'all products. I drink it dang near every day. But I'm gonna finish my sweater that I'm working on. So I have this sweater right here. This is what I'm working on. You kind of see what it's looking like so far. So I finished one sleeve. Alright, so this is the sleeve. And then I still got to finish the other sleeve right here. So this is what I'm working on today. Hopefully I can finish it today by the end of the day. Well, we'll see how it's looking. And then I still got to finish the collar part of the neck. I got to add like the trims to that. So I'm going to go ahead and work on that for today. And then I got so many other projects that I still got to finish. So, but this is just what I got so far right now. So, like, this is everything that I have. Y'all, I messed up. So, I was working on my sweater, right? And I'm like, you know what? I am getting a little bit tired. Let me go ahead and take a nap, right? I took a nap. Tell me why I woke up 4 hours later, bro. Like, I done literally slept through at least majority of the day. So it's like, what is it, like 8 o'clock now? And I gotta be up for work at 6:30 in the morning tomorrow. So
yeah, I screwed up.
Anyways, that's pretty much my day off. Well, I would say most of my day off because I did have to work today, but I ended up going home early. Whew, your girl was tired. And then I sat there and tried to eat healthy. I'm sitting here eating, like, I ate a salad earlier. Pretty decent salad. Had cucumbers, what else? Carrots, onions. And then I had some lettuce, some bacon, some eggs, a little bit of ranch, you know. Nice, you know, something light. And I ate that, and then when I woke up, I'm like, dang, I haven't had dinner yet. So I ate me a little half pizza, and I had me some eggs, right? Like, you know, boiled eggs with a little chili crisp. This the chili crisp that I had, right? I put that on my eggs. So freaking good, by the way.
Told my stomach up.
And I'm trying to eat healthy, right? I'm really trying to eat healthy, but I think my body is not used to eating healthy stuff, like with fiber and clean protein and stuff. My stomach is elfed up right now. So as far as what I know, The day is just what it is. It is what it is. But I do got to work tomorrow. I do got Sunday off, so I might vlog a little bit on Sunday or tomorrow, depending on how I'm feeling. But today is one of those days where I'm like, my body just telling me, girl, you need to sit your butt down. Cause I was so hyped being at home too. I was like, oh yes, I'm gonna get this done, get that done. Man, no the heck I didn't. I took a whole nap. Not even a nap. I slept. So I guess my body was tired. I guess it was. But anyways, that's pretty much it. That's all I really had to record today. It was a pretty short day. I'm terrible at vlogs. I really need to get better. I think it's also because my life is just not as like, it's not too much variety in my life right now. I need to do some more stuff. But anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll see y'all in my next vlog. Deuces. Love y'all. Be blessed. And don't start too much trouble. All right. Peace.